Influencers are becoming the CEOs or founders today. Is this a trend or the next business for long term? Guys, this has been happening. Yes, marami na pong influencers ang nagiging CEOs or founders ng kanilang mga brands. Of course, sa US, we have Mr. Beast, yung pinakasikat na YouTuber. He owns a chocolate brand. Kylie, he owns a cosmetic brand or a skincare brand. Logan Paul, who owns a beverage or yung drinks na tinatawag na Prime. So this has been happening for a long time already sa labas. Dito kasi sa Philippines, yung talagang mga sikat na influencers ay bumubuo ng skincare brand. I hope yung mga influencers natin soon ay bumuo din ng iba't ibang mga businesses na nasa e-commerce pa rin. And not just skincare, marami pa dyan iba. Noong una kasi, yung mga influencers natin, they actually do posting, promote, or naglalagay sila ng affiliate links. Pero ngayon, they're not just endorsers, they're not just affiliate marketers, or they're not just brand ambassadors. They actually do more than that. Influencers right now, they are now building their own brand. And yes, it's kinda scary, right? Dati, brand ambassador mo lang sila. Ngayon, pwede ka na nilang kalabanin at mag-build ng sarili nilang brand. All because these influencers know how to get attention. They know how to make contents. Magaling na rin sila sa marketing. They know ano yung mga trend or sila mismo yung trendsetter. And pinaka the best is that they have their community. It's just that some influencers, they don't know how to run the business. That's why nagko-close yung mga businesses nila. But if done right, yung mga brand na tinatayo nila, pwedeng mag-succeed. At isa sa mga influencer na nakikita ko sa internet ngayon na nagsimula bilang isang brand ambassador lang, si Miss Shaha Mehta. Yes, Shaha Mehta is the owner of Shaha Beauty. Dati, endorser lang siya, brand ambassador, and model ng mga skincare or cosmetic brands. Amazingly, she started her own brand. Ang galing, di ba? And you know what I really like about her? She started with 2 products only. Well, if I'm not mistaken, yun yung nakikita ko, yun yung naabutan ko. She has soap and a bleaching cream. And yes, I use their products. This is the proof. Yep, I used them and I could really say na gustong-gusto ko siya. One thing siguro na mako-comment ko sa kanyang product is yung mismong packaging niya. Alam niyo naman ako, mas gusto ko talaga yung mga minimalist, but hopefully, si Miss Shaha, if mag-open siya ng premium line niya, she'll make it a little bit minimalist para dun sa premium line na yun. Hopefully soon, Miss Shaha, since may bleaching cream ka na, maglalabas ka naman ng lotion para ma-moisturize yung mga skin namin. Ang ganda kasi naglabas siya ng 2 hero products niya, hindi 6, hindi 10, kundi 2 lang. And what I like about her, she checks her customers' feedback, she listens to them, and she knows her target market. You know, Miss Shaha is a Muslim. And if you get to know yung kanyang mga target market, yung mga Muslim, sa totoo lang, mahilig yan sa pampaputi. Isa sa mga gustong-gusto nila is yung bleaching cream. So that's the reason bakit nilabas ni Miss Shaha yung bleaching cream. Above anything else na gustong-gusto ko sa brand ni Miss Shaha is that she uses her platform and inspire a lot of Muslims. She gives courage to those Muslims that it's okay to be a Muslim but also fighting for their dreams. With everything that's happening right now, sometimes being you or being unique can be hard. But with her, she uses her platform to inspire a lot of people. Not only the Muslims but of course those people who are unique and true to themselves. Pinaka nagustuhan ko talaga kay Miss Shaha is for every product that you buy, her company helps a lot of children na gustong makapag-aral, nagbibigay sila ng pagkain. Nakakatuwa kasi meron silang tinatawag na campaign which is yung Beauty with Purpose. So if only a lot of skincare brands just like Miss Shaha Mehta, kung saan hindi lang maganda yung produkto, hindi lang nag-i-inspire ng community, kundi tumutulong pa sa kapwa. I mean, ito yung brand na gustong-gusto nating suportahan, tama? And if you're an influencer who is planning to build your brand, message me because I have a marketing agency that can actually help e-commerce business owners or founders to start their own brand properly here in the Philippines. Yun lang. Bye!